I'm going to assign a XY position for the child. So I'm here creating the elements properly. To assign the XY position, I am using set layout bounds position to assign the XY position. X is random thing. And we are assigning layout demo. To create a customized new layout. This is a feature of the Spark containers. These are the things never easy in Flex 3. Using the VBoss, Sketchbox kind of things. Yeah, even you can change the layout. In VBox you can't change the layout to horizontal layout like that. Even in Canvas you can change the layout. Is this understandable? But and Spark component and scaling. This is the anatomy of the Flex 4 application. From the bottom, the various domain models, value updates, and it comes to and the controller controls the presentation models and the different components. And the view layer extends the scales. And this is the Flex component life cycle. If you understanding the life cycle is very important before you are working in custom component creation. You should understand the component life cycle, where is the breadth of the component, where it's living, where it's going to destroy like that. And this is the traditional class elastic trace racetrack. First one is the code execution part, and the other one is the rendering part. In between this, the invalidation part is relying. And in Hello components, it's hard to extend monkey patching to, if you want to modify the panel means, like it's a small example. If you want to change the panel title means you have to write a couple lines of code to assign a title or an icon in the panel. But here it's very easy to extend the component skinning, and you have full control over the component skinning. If you want to just write a button scheme means you can easily copy from the default button scheme through to your local directory, and you can easily modify the things. And MEC button component model is like an example of string and certain boolean, and view is what is appearing in the state, text field, icon, background. The control is mouse handler, events, selection logic, all the things. Yeah, as I said earlier, if you want to modify a button with the two icons, button supports only single icon, it has 3 button components, and if you want to modify to two icon means you can't easily extend your touch screen button, and but in touch mode you can easily modify your changes in touch skin, and this is now this is an example of the component and the skin in a touch board, where the touch skin is contain graphics, layout, animation, path, stage, everything, where the component is only contain behavior and logic and data. If you are a developer, you don't need to worry about the skinning, not anymore. And if you are a designer, means there is no worry about the component, how the logic will be or like that. You can directly design your page without worrying about the logic and all. This is the flow between component and skin. Anybody, can you tell me what is skin? That's what is a skin, like that. Which is appearing in the skin, everything is skin. And component means behind the skin. First component gets constructed and it commit properties, and after that it loads the skin, and the skin gets constructed, and after that when it gets constructed, the skin's host component is the component. This component is the host component for the skin. To communicate between the skin and the component, you have to use the host component property to access the component's methods, public variables, like that. And when you specify the skin to the component, it identifies the find skin parts, which are the parts available in the skin. You can find easily through this method, and most probably the states define the component controlled by the skin. Whenever we define the state in the component, we can easily access the state from the skin, and paths defined in the skin are controlled by